Yo, what's up, Steve? Just making this quick video for you to show you how to work Hudl. Sorry we weren't able to connect. Hope you're feeling well. So you get into Hudl here. Hopefully you know how to log in. If not, let me know. Make sure you're on the Warriors basketball. I guess for you, sorry, you don't want to be on sophomore boys basketball. So let me go ahead and click on that. So it's toggled over here on this arrow. And then there's some old stuff from last year. You go then up here to team. And you go to manage team and you see a bunch of old players. I'm actually going to remove all of these people, but I can do that after I show you what to do. So remove from team. So I'll go in and actually remove all these guys. This is all my old players. Then what you want to do is you want to hit add members. You want to enter them. Well, if you want to send to your group text, if you have it, or send an on-campus message or an email to all of your players, you could send them this email and this code. I personally just enter manually and I type in their name. So you would type in, for example, Joel Barman. Email is joel.barman at, I believe it's Learner for the sophomores.org. His role as an athlete. You can, I don't put phone number. You can put position if you want, grad year if you want, jersey number if you want. I think jersey number is important actually, because that's how it, if you do recordings, it'll pick up their jersey number. And then I'll let you do that, and then you just hit save and add another. So I'm actually not going to even save this one. I'll let you type those in if you'd like, or if you want the guys to do it, might be easier to just send them the link and the team code. So yeah, that's really it. And then you can go to video, and if you ever want to record a practice, let me know. Here's some games from last year. But that's how they can have access to Hudl. And then the reports section, I don't think we have unlimited reports, so we're not going to be able to do stats for sophomores, unfortunately. But for varsity, that's where we go for reports. So hopefully this is helpful. You can put in your schedule here for 22-23. It looks like it's already in because some of them were put in by Drew. I think maybe all the home games are in. Yeah, looks like the home games are in. So we're going to potentially have to add the away games. So let's see how we would do that. I'll show you. Add events. You go, so again, team. You'll go manage team to add your players. You'll go schedule, and you can add event. And it's a game. It's a regular season game. It's he looks like he did all the home games, so it's away, and we'll have to start adding those later. But that is Hudl. Make sure you're on 2023. Make sure you're on sophomore basketball. And that's really it. Hopefully that helps. Peace.